decked up, we have reached Banjara to experience their eye-catching ambience and heartful service. After entering, I had a warm greeting with a special Rajasthani turban, in which I'm looking damn cute. With their superb hospitality and beautiful ambience, one can feel great peace. You will definitely get a rich traditional vibes with soft Rajasthani traditional songs being played back and changing the whole aura. Now talking about the ambience, it was 10 on 10, perfectly. As you can see, the ceiling was quite attractive by lights, especially the chandelier, which was at the center top of the restaurant. Having a very unique sitting area, beautifully decked up with big thalis and katoris where food is served traditionally. An attractive frame wall, beautifully painted, which is perfect for photo bombing and of course group pictures. So how could I resist myself from getting beautiful pics?